Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a highly requested video. Most of you guys who follow me on social media probably have seen me talk and go on and on about my halo extensions, and so many of you guys wanted to know more about them, how I apply them, kind of like a more in-depth video, and you guys wanted to see it here on my YouTube. So I thought I'd come on here and do a video for you guys. I am so excited. These are the extensions in right now. I'm gonna show you guys not only how I apply them, but kind of how I style my hair. If you guys would like to see a video of a couple different hairstyles that I do while I wear my halo extensions, give this video a thumbs up so that I know and I can upload that for you guys. I think that'd be a super fun video. But yeah, without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into it because I am so excited to show you guys how I apply these. Okay guys, so these are the extensions right here. I absolutely love them. They're pretty much an exact match to my hair, which is really, really nice. You want to get as close as possible. And first off, I'll just show you what the actual band itself looks like. So there is that. All the hair is sewn in right here on this little seam. The way that it is made, even though it is super thick hair, and it's just one like band, it's so thick, but it lays completely flat against your head, so you're not gonna get any bumps, so you're not gonna be able to see it at all. And then it just comes with this clear little wire, and then on each end you can change how tight it is with these little hooks. I just have it on, I think, the second one. But first thing that I like to do with my extensions, first off, I don't know what color exactly that I got, but I know I did get the 16-inch extensions. So you can order these halo extensions off the Halo website, but I actually went to the salon that I go to get my hair done, and they are licensed to fit in order for clients to get these extensions, and they specialize in these extensions. So it was actually really, really nice. It worked out really well, and I actually got them right before my wedding. So they're really nice. These ones were $240 for the 16-inch ones, so they're a little bit pricey, but it's real hair. It's so thick and it's so easy to apply and take out. If I, for some reason, just like end up wanting to take my hair out, I can just easily do it no matter where I am. So first thing I like to do is I like to just take a brush and brush through the extensions. One, because they tend to get like super, super tangled, especially if I haven't worn them in a while. And I've had them now for a month and I've only washed them once. So you can wash them just the way that you wash normal hair, and then I blow dry it just because it's super thick hair, and laying them down, it doesn't really air dry the way like regular hair does. So once I have brushed it out, it's already pre-curled, so unless the curls are like really falling out, I don't have to go through and curl them again unless I'm wanting to tighten them or do a different type of curl. But as you can see, they're super, super thick. They're pretty long. My hair's really, really short, so it adds quite a bit of length to my hair. So once I'm done brushing it out, I like to just go through and brush through my own hair. Now this is like second day hair, so it's already curled. The curl's been kind of, I might have to recurl some of these pieces a little bit, but so what I'll do is if I see any pieces that need to be recurled, I will just go in and just recurl them. Now I am usually using like a bigger actual curling iron, but I'm just using this wand today just because that's what I have my extensions curled for. And I like to just leave a little bit of my hair out as well. And I'll just do that on both sides. Okay, so once I have just like touched up my curls a little bit and it kind of looks a little bit the way that I want it to, I will go and section off my hair. There we go. And I will just, I like to like give kind of like a inch of room. And I will just section it. I like to brush it too, all the way back. And then I will just clip it. So now that my hair is clipped and out of the way, and I'll show you, kind of turn around and you can kind of see where I've parted it. I just leave just like the tiniest bit of hair underneath. And then you're just gonna grab your extensions and you're gonna wanna just hold them like this. If you try to have your hand underneath it, you're not gonna properly be able to place the wire where it needs to be, and then it will start to slip or feel really, really uncomfortable. So the first thing you wanna do before you even try to lay it flat, you wanna make sure that this wire is placed where you want it to be, which should be like an inch away from where your hairline starts. And everybody's head shape is so different, so it's gonna be a little bit different with each person. And then once I'm done with that, I will just let my hair down, and then I will just brush it all out. Now, this next step is probably like the most important step. Now, as you can see, it's not like extremely visible, but you can see this band right here, which is what kind of gives it away. So what you want to do is you just want to take a comb. Any comb will work. Okay, so you're just going to want to take any comb. This is just one that I had on me, and you just kind of want to grab all of those hairs. Because you just placed that wire there, there's going to be some hairs that are stuck underneath. So you just want to pull all of those hairs out so that that wire is laying flat on your scalp. And the best way to do that is to just go right here at the root and just kind of wiggle and just get all of those little hairs out. I will even just like go underneath this layer and make sure. And I'm doing the same thing on this side. So once the extensions are in, you cannot see this band that is back here. It should feel really secure, really snug, and our hair. Got it. So you should just have it like right on the crown of your head. It's not a headband, so you don't want it to go like right behind your ears and all the way down to like the ball of your neck. You want it to be right on the crown, kind of like where a halo would sit. Okay, so once you feel like you've just kind of brushed everything up, you can check and you can kind of see. You will always be able to just like ever so slightly see it. And the more you pull those little hairs up from underneath it, the less you will be able to see it. Okay, so once the extensions are in, that's when I start messing around with the product. So if I feel like there's any pieces that need to be recurled, or I feel like my hair needs to be curled into the pieces at all, I will go ahead and do that. So here's my actual hair, And I'll back up a little bit for you guys so you guys can see. But okay, so I moved the camera angle a little bit so that you guys could kind of see a little bit better. But here are the extensions and here's my actual hair. So I want those pieces to actually curl into the extension. So I will just go in and curl those pieces and make sure that my hair is curling with them in that direction. So once I feel like that is all done and complete, that is when I start using some product on my hair. Now usually I will use the Living Proof. Oh my gosh, I could not remember the name of that dry shampoo for the life of me. Usually I will use the Living Proof dry shampoo, but I ran out unfortunately, and I just saw this Not Your Mother's Beach Babe texturizing dry shampoo, which works really well. So I will just go ahead and spray that at the root because this gives a lot of texture, and with D2 hair sometimes it just feels a little oily and dirty. So I will do that. And then what I would like to do is I like to grab a salt spray for some reason. I don't know why, I really like it. I like texture. So I will go in with the R&Co Rock Away salt spray and I will just spray that. And this just gives the most beautiful texture. And I will just kind of scrunch it up. Even with the extensions, I will just kind of scrunch it, kind of mess it up a little bit. The more you play with them, the more they will look natural and real. So I like to just kind of mess them up a little bit, give some volume. And then what I like to do, if I have any crazy flyaways, I like to take the R&Co Mannequin Styling Paste, and I'll just take like literally the tiniest little bit of it. And I will just put this because I tend to have some really crazy flyaways and baby hairs on the top of my hair, which isn't cute. So I like to just do that. And then last thing that I will do, actually, no, not the last thing. I will grab the R&Co Foil Fizz and Static Control Spray, which is really awesome just because my natural hair tends to get really, really staticky. So I like to just prevent any of that with my natural hair and the extensions. And then just kind of mess it up even more. And then last but not least, just because my hair gets super, super dry on the ends, especially since I went super, super blonde. So what I like to do is I like to take just any oil, and I'm using the Garnier Fructis Marvelous Deep Nourish Oil. I'm just gonna take the littlest amount of that and just kind of work that through my ends and the extensions as well, just to kind of give some shine to them. Alrighty guys, and that is it for how I apply my halo extensions. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below for more fun videos, and comment down below what kind of video you guys would like to see next. Yeah, also let me know if you guys want to see like a video showing you guys a couple different hairstyles that I do while wearing my halo extensions, because I do a couple different types of hairstyles. I don't just always wear it down like this. There's a lot of fun things that you can do with your extensions. So let me know if you guys would like to see a video like that. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.